Hey, what's up guys? This is your girl Tracy with Tracy's World, and today I have another SoBarRistic drink just for you. So stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back. Listen, we're gonna do a little housekeeping in the earlier part of this video. So make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. And if you are a subscriber, just go ahead and share this video. We thank you so much for watching, for tuning in every week. We will be bringing you videos every Tuesday and Thursday. So make sure you turn on those notifications so that you'll know whenever we post a new video. All right? Hey guys, listen, I'm so excited about today's drink. I mean, you know, we just wrapping up summer, but we keeping it, you know, summeristic at this point. You know, we hanging on, so stay hanging on with me. Today we're going to use some Jordan Skinny Syrup Citrus Splash. And this is some good stuff. It has, it's Citrus Splash Plus Immunity. It has vitamin C, zinc, and B vitamins, and burst of flavor, 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 carbs. So this is what we're working with today. Y'all see that? All right, we have pineapples, organic, frozen pineapples. We have some orange juice. We have pineapple juice. And we have, of course, our lime juice, because I always add a little bit of lime. That lime give it a little, you know, some. And we have some maple syrup, just in case the lime do a little bit too much of the some. We have to, you know, add a little bit of sweetener. We'll use these cherries when we're garnishing. And of course, y'all ready for this? We are working with this. This is a young coconut, y'all. A young coconut product of Thailand. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So let's just get started, okay? So we're gonna add our ice to the blender. And I should have kind of chopped it up, but it was in the freezer. I rinsed it off, just popped it in there. So, and I'm gonna stir up my pineapple juice because had it sitting out while we're working on this drink, and it kind of like settled, you know, a little bit. So I'm gonna stir it all up, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour about a cup of pineapple juice to the mix. So now we're going to take our frozen orange juice, and we're going to take half. So you can squeeze as much as you can out, but you want to put too much. So I would say squeeze until you see about half left, and if you need some help, take a spoon and, you know, of course, you know, get the rest of it out. Look at my face, I'm so focused. I think I need to put a little bit more to make sure it's half. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and grab our lime juice. I didn't measure the lime juice, I kind of just know how much I want to put in, but you can just put a splash of lime juice. So whatever a splash is to you, that's what you do. We're going to take our citrus splash, and I'm going to put in about 2 ounces of the citrus splash. So all that healthiness is going in there, because you remember I told you what was in that splash, and it smells so good. Now we're going to add about a cup of pineapple chunks, frozen pineapple chunks. Using these frozen ingredients really makes the drink taste really good and like, you know, almost not really slushy, but it has a little bit of slushiness to it, you know what I mean? Like, it tastes really good. Okay, so now I am playing with this coconut, getting the juice out. We're getting all the goodness out of the coconut, actually. This is as fresh as you can get. I mean, we're using a real coconut. No, you know, it's pure. Alright, we're going to blend this all together. I'm actually going to use the puree smoothie option to blend. I need to make sure that everything is all mixed together very well. You don't want any chunks of anything floating around in there. Okay, now we're going to add the ice to the glass. Oh wait, we forgot something, our limes. So we're going to go ahead and cut our limes. We're going to put 2 lime wheels in the glass. You don't have to do this, but I just love lime. So I'm going to put 2 lime wheels to the glass, and then we're going to pour it up. Oh my goodness, look at the texture of that. It's so beautiful. Now we're going to do some VA, we're going to add some VA splash, and it's going to help with our color. It's going to make it, you know, a more orange, you know, and more orange in color. We want it to look similar to the sunset, so we don't want it too orange, but we don't want it too yellow either. So I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't think the video does it justice, but it smells good and it looks really good. So we're going to cut some more lime, and this time we're going to use it to garnish the drink. Put the little slit in the lime wheel, and then you put it around the rim of the glass, and that's how it stays in place. It looks so pretty. But we're not done yet. We got to get our umbrella and our cherry, the cherry, and put it in there. We got to fix the umbrella a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that drink, y'all. Look at that drink. Y'all know that look good. So listen guys, we hooked it up. We took that coconut and got all that goodness out of the coconut and put it in the drink, okay? And we also have the orange juice, the pineapple juice in here, a little bit of lime. We got a citrus splash, okay? That was all mixed in here. And then as we poured it in the cup over the ice, we topped it off. Y'all, we topped it off with a little bit of VA, the tropical blend, I believe. Let me see what it is here. The VA tropical blend. I had this in my refrigerator, so I thought, you know what, that's probably good. And that's what you can do. Make your drink SoBarRistic. Look in your refrigerator, see what you have, mix it all up, see how it tastes. You'd be surprised at what you come up with. Okay, it's time. It's time. We need to bottle that up today. We need to bottle this up. This, what? I don't know what to do, y'all. This is like, all this goodness is in my mouth right now. All these good flavors. It's just like, my brain can't handle it right now. It's just so, it's like tart, but it's sweet. It's like the best of everything. Tart, sweet, tropical. This is so good. God, this needs to be in a bottle somewhere. This really needs to be in a bottle somewhere. This is, oh, it's like, it's a party going on in there. They just like, yeah, like it's crazy, like the flavor. Oh my God. This is a summer drink. Like, this is a drink that you're supposed to sit by the beach and drink. This is like one of those drinks you're supposed to sit, you know, in the cabana with your drink, or sit on a yacht and just sip it. Like, Ooh, man, this need to be bottled up. I'm telling you, this, we just call this summertime. This is just summertime. This is like, I'm gonna call this, yeah, I'm just calling it summertime. I don't know if that's a drink or not, but this is our version of summertime. This is our summertime. Oh my gosh. What was that? Y'all, listen, this really came from a thought. I was walking through the grocery store, I saw the coconut. It's like, I'm gonna buy the coconut, right? I already had the orange juice, I already had the pineapples, and the pineapple juice, like, I'm gonna put it all together. Throw a little lime up in there. Like, it was not a lot of thought given to that. Like, I was literally walking through the grocery store and it was like, okay, let's mix this all up and see what happens. And when I tell you, I didn't drink it up. When I tell you how good this is, like, believe me when I say it. Like, when I make the drinks, if they don't taste good, I'm gonna keep tweaking it until I get it the way that I want it to taste, you know? And that's what you should do. When you make the drinks, keep tweaking it until you get it to taste the way you want it to taste. But this, I didn't have to put any sweetener with this at all. I had it on standby, but I didn't use it. As far as the VA tropical blend, I put very little in the cup, but I just wanted to give it like a little bit of, it was mainly for the coloring. I wanted it to look a certain way, like a sunset. But when I tell you, this is so good. There's nothing else left. It was so, oh, this was SoBarRistic, y'all. Like, I think this is probably the best drink that I've made. And this came without a real standard recipe. This was just me using what I had and just working with it. Best drink I've ever had in my life. Best drink. The best drink ever, okay? This one is. You know what? Ain't nothing else left to say. You know what? So listen, I hope you guys are enjoying these videos as much as I'm enjoying making them. This has been so much fun. I enjoy going to the store, getting all of these ingredients, putting them all together and coming up with something fantastic, SoBarRistic style. And I hope you guys are enjoying it too, you know? And I'm just so grateful. I'm grateful that you guys tune in. I'm grateful that you're watching the channel. I'm grateful for your comments. I'm grateful for your thumbs up. I'm grateful for your subscription. Yes. So I'm just so excited about everything. I had a pretty good, week this past coming week. I actually traveled to California and back. And yeah, I'm just, like I told you guys in the last video, I'm holding on to summer. Like, I'm trying to make all the summer drinks that I can. I'm trying to hold on. It just went by way too fast, you know? I can't believe it's almost over. Like, I cannot believe it. I can't believe we've passed Labor Day and all of that. So it's moving way too fast, but I'm excited to see, how the year continues to progress. I'm hoping that, you and your family are doing well. I pray that everyone is healthy and stays healthy, do what you got to do to be healthy. And yeah, and just, continue to enjoy life, because life is what you make it. So we all need to live and enjoy it. Enjoy every moment. You guys, this has been Tracy, your SoBarRologist, and I want to tell you to go out and be great today. Whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you do, whatever it is you dream of doing, you can do it. Go out and be great today.